Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today we're going to see what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We're located in the DFW area. I went to 4 different Dollar Tree stores this week and I combined all the pictures into one video for you. And this is for August the 2nd, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what's new. Apparel and accessories. We have these t-shirts for children all the way up to extra large. And then they also had the Gildan brand long sleeve shirts in brown, black, and blue. Then we've got the Juncture brand slippers for women in black, pink, and gray. Those are the slide-on slippers. These also are polyester, so you can use these to sublimate or Cricut. Then we've got some more of the novelty socks. We've got the Top Ramen Shrimp, Cheez-Its, Twizzlers, Dr. Pepper, Dippin' Dots, Yahoo, Jello, Ding Dongs, and Yoo-Hoo. We've also got these extra large tote bags. There's the Chaos Coordinator. The green one is the Essentials, and then the black with the blue is Shopping is My Cardio. They also have this one. It's blue and yellow. It says kinda sweet, mostly sarcastic. Over in arts and crafts this week, we have this crafting paper. You get 24 sheets. What I really like about this is it's really thick, like a cardstock, and you get a couple pieces of each design that's in the packet. Really a favorite of mine to craft with. They also restocked the Fix All adhesive and the multi-purpose cement. So if you haven't seen that out recently, they're finally restocked. We've also got the glue sticks, the 15 count glitter, and they have the Puzzle Saver glue restocked as well. That is a 4-ounce bottle. It says it laminates and preserves with trowel applicator. We've got the iron-on badges. These are the smaller size iron-on badges. They have the sunflower and the butterfly. It's so pretty. It's a little monarch butterfly. And then we've got some more of the minis. These are fun for like backpacks and things like that. We have the dog, the cat, and the cactus. I love how well made these are. They're an embroidered patch and they have the adhesive on the back. They actually iron on quite well. I've used these in the past. I do use a heat press, but they work really well also with an iron. We've got the larger size badges as well. We've got the pastel rainbow. Then lots of different crafter square rolls of fabric. We have the tie-dye with the stars on it. It's all red. It's really pretty. It has almost like a watercolor wash over it. It's so pretty. Then this multicolor stripes with different designs. The black background with the watermelon, which I think is so pretty. I think this would make a really fun summer craft. And then we've also got the flamingos, which is another favorite of mine. And then there's the blue background with a bunch of sunshine wearing sunglasses. We have a pink background with like sprinkles on it. And then they've brought back a bunch of the iron-on vinyl. They have the glitter and the metallic. If you guys haven't seen these around lately, they are starting to restock these and they're a popular item. I actually think they work quite well. Then we've got these DIY wooden boxes with the scalloped edges. They had these out about 6 months ago, probably around Easter time. It's the last time I've seen them, so I was really happy to see that they brought these boxes back. There's a couple different ones with the scalloped or wavy edges, and we've also got the small wood palette pieces restocked. Over in health and beauty, we will start with the cosmetics first this week. We have the Ioni Beauty Dollhouse Makeup Bar. All of these are $1.25. So we have the pink dress and red heart lipstick. There's also a lip pencil that coordinates with the lipstick. And then there is the purple and the black mascara. We have the sparkle pink eyeliner and the Fat Chubby Stick highlighter. Could be used as eyeshadow. There's a brow pencil and a felt tip eyeliner pen. Then the LA lip gloss. I showed these last week. They had the lemon lime and the cantaloupe scent. They have one more that I found this week, and it was the LA Colors lip gloss roller with the strawberry scent. So I just want to make sure you guys knew all that was available. Over in the hair care, there's a bunch of these instant root touch-up spray. It says it quickly and easily covers grays and roots, and they had it in blonde and black. I didn't see any for brunette. Then we've got the Flex Extra Hold Hairspray. It says volume and control all day. They have the Flex Dry Instant Shampoo with argan oil and the Maximum Hold Mousse. They have their 2-piece Gimme Thick Hair Large Claw Clips. You get the black or the brown. And then this pack, you can get the matte, there's blue and peach, or you can get the purple and the mint green. And those are like $4 at Walmart. They brought back a bunch of the fashion accessories with the fruit on, which I thought was so fun this summer. They have the pineapples and cherries. Could also get the grapes and then the watermelon. So cute. And my favorite this season was the peaches. Look how cute that is. We've also got the scrunchies with the ribbon. We've got the purple with the daisies on it. And then you can get it with the blue background. And then the same style, we've got the bandana. They have the white and black and the red and white. In the pharmacy and personal care, the first thing we found was the Family Care Saline Nasal Spray, which was new. And then we've got these Extra Care Body Balm Jelly Sticks and Cocoa Butter. They wind up from the bottom like a giant lip gloss, so they're actually quite nice. Then we've got the Sweet Shop Donut Scented Reusable Bath Bomb. It says reusable. I'm not quite sure how, but that does say that on the packaging. They have them in blue and in pink. For fun finds at a few more stores this week, I found these succulent planters with the little polka dots on the side. These are so pretty, has the rocks and everything in it. I also found more of these silicone ice cube trays. They come in a couple different sizes. You can also use these to make different desserts. There's lots of ideas online. We've got the Ad Band hair accessories. You get 600 bands in these plastic containers. One shaped like a strawberry and one is shaped like a flower. In home decor, they brought back these glass votives. If you remember over springtime, they had them in blue a lot, like a couple different shades of blue. Now they have them in the white, the dark pink, and the light pink, which we saw early summer. They've also got these glass containers restocked with the glass topper and these photo frames. These hold a 4x4 photo. You get the black or the gold. They have it in a circle or a hexagon shape. Has a chain and a hook at the top to hang them from, and they all hold the 4x4 photo. We've also got these tabletop signs with the beads between each little house. One spells home. The dark brown with the white bead spells out the word love, and then the white with the natural color bead spells out the word live. Over in the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section this week, we have the marker with the eraser set. Those are the dry erase markers. Also the 36 count play school crayons. Those are washable. They have the Liquid Mark 3 neon broadband markers and the felt tip pens in 4 different colors. We've also got the double-sided highlighters back in stock. And one of my favorite items to buy at the beginning of the school year are these planners. I love that they have the different lists, the post-it notes, and the different goals and things to fill out, that you can hang them and just tear off each sheet each week, and that they're not labeled with the year or any date, so you can personalize them yourself and use them next year. So you can buy a few of them. I also found a bunch of these health journals. If you notice, the covers all say something different, but I thumbed through all of them and they all have the same pages on the inside, which would be like this mood tracker. It says like happy, angry, sad, anxious, excited. Then we've got the monthly goals. You can fill out your goals for the month. There's also a weekly meal tracker for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and calories. You have a grocery list for the different sections of the store. There's some measurement goals, also a weight tracker, and last but not least, a fitness tracker. So those are all the same on the inside. Housewares, home maintenance, and storage. They have their coin wrappers restocked. They have one bag that's just for pennies. The other bag they have for the coin wrappers will be for the quarters, dimes, and nickels. I also found more of the Powerhouse foaming dish spray. If you haven't found that yet, that's a new product. Also the Power duct tape. This is the extra wide, extra thick duct tapes. It's super strong. They have the carton tape and the shipping tape out as well. So most of these are 2 inches or close to 2 inches wide, and they're the extra thick rolls. I also found these voice controlled tabletop lights. So what I thought was neat about these is they don't take batteries and they don't run on Wi-Fi, but they do go on voice command. So you have 5 commands, 3 light colors, there's adjustable brightness, and it tells you all the commands that you can give. I'll actually give an example on Tuesday's video. For kitchen and pantry, we have these reusable silicone stretch seals for different bowls and plates. Then they have these new Home Essentials glass storage containers. They have a small square, it's 10 ounces, like 10.8, and they also have a round one. I believe that one is 13.5 ounces. We have these new dish sets. So if you guys remember a few weeks back, they had these in blue, which sold so fast. They like flew off the shelves around here. Now they have them in this gorgeous gray and white. You get the dinner plate, the salad plate, there's a bowl, a coffee cup, and they have a few different white glass cups to go with it. They're just clear with like stripes that go down the sides. There's also some placemats that are black and white with the stripes, very farmhouse kind of modern feel. Some of them have a saying on it that says "Good days with gratitude." Start with gratitude. They also have the oven mitts and the hot pad holders, or you can get the gray, which says "Be awesome." And some of them have no writing on them at all. So lots of great items there. The seasonal items, we have the bottle brush trees that look like candy corn. For Halloween, we have some in glitter. They're purple, green, and black. They also have the gnomes that look like Ghost, Frankenstein, and a pumpkin. They each have their little hat, and they have sticks so you can put them in like a flower arrangement. They brought back more of the papa's flowers or feathers, lots of different fall flowers, these glass dishes and candle holders. They've got the pumpkins in the two shades of orange. They also have them in blue and in white. It's like a really light blue. It almost has a green hint to it. Then we have the leaf tabletop signs, and then some fall icon shape plates. So these are not the candle holders. These sit flat, so they're like a trinket tray. So they have the different leaves. There's dark red, yellow, the bright red, and then we have the acorns. We have the brown, and then white, brown, and orange. There's also the pumpkins with the flowers at the top. So this one's the orange, obviously. We have the dark red, and then they also have it in white. A bunch of different glass little plates and tabletop or candle holders. Some glass skeletons. We have the jack-o'-lantern lanterns. There's also the glass jack-o'-lanterns in the white and in the orange. And then one of my favorites this year are these beaded pumpkins that come in 4 colors. We have blue, green, white, and orange. You can also get some beaded garland. One has the metal leaves, one has metal pumpkins. And then we have these adorable little mushrooms. Then there's the beaded pumpkins with the bow at the top. You can get orange. They also have it in orange and white beads. And then there's the all white. And the last one is the natural color bead with a light or kind of like a dark green, like a hunter green. Then we've got the wreath holders for like the door. They have one with sunflowers on it. Gather and be grateful. They also have one that has the wagon at the bottom. It says hello fall. And then these are just door hangers. We have a couple different gnomes. They're all holding something different. Like this one's holding a pumpkin spice coffee. We have one holding leaves, one holding a sign that says fall. And then there's the 2-pack of the bows. This one has all the different things that says like chili, harvest, welcome. We've got plaid, another plaid bow, like green, red, orange, and white. I love the sunflower bows. I think those are so pretty. Again, these all come in a 2-pack. Of all the different pumpkins and gourds, the dark blue with the berries and leaves. And then there's these glitter spiral picks. These are 10 inches. They have purple, blue, red. I think these would be great to hold on to for like the 4th of July next year. They also have orange and black. And then the picks with the pumpkins. You get 3 pumpkins, 1 large, 2 small with the stripes, orange and white. And then there's also these picks here. Again, these are 10 inches. A bunch of foam balls covered in glitter. It's 6 on each pick. They have the candy corn covered in the styrofoam beads. And then the large foam pumpkins on a stick. This one looks like candy corn. And then they have the white, black, and silver. They've also got the mechanical 3D wooden puzzle. This one is a crow. And they have a bat. It says Happy Halloween. Has all the directions inside. The DIY signs. We've got the black cat with a jack-o'-lantern. There's the witch's cauldron with the feet sticking out. the large jack-o'-lantern DIY wood piece. And then we've got a bunch of these foam pumpkins that look very realistic. There's the dark orange. They come in either the short round or the tall oval. They have them in white and in green. I love that they have all these little speckles on them. I think it makes them look so much more realistic. They also have some new acorns out this year. Last year they had a few acorn picks out. This year they put out a few different versions. You get like the white and brown. This one has a gold kind of shimmer to it, a metallic, and then there's the more natural looking with the dark brown, and it's got some different shades there. We've also got the garden stakes. These are like a aluminum pumpkin. Some have beads, some do not. There's a couple different colors. There's the white, the yellow. They also have the 21-inch scarecrow chair cover. You get the boy or the girl. These are quite large. I bought these last year. I thought they were super cute. They're really well made as well. And one of my favorite things are these metal pails they have out. This one says fresh apples, and they have farm fresh pumpkin patch. And then you can get them in the silver. It also says the fresh apple and the farm fresh pumpkins. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus, which is $3 to $5. They have their all day fresh acts. There's the deodorant and antiperspirant. They also have the different body wash. There's 48 hours of protection, and there's different scents there. A bunch of the body wash. We've got these blessed and thankful signs. They had these out last year. This one here says gather. It's got a little bit of raffia at the top. Those are $3. And they have their fabric pumpkins. Some of these are $3, depending on the size. And then the really large ones, those would be $5. But most of these you're seeing right here are $3 each. Lots of different plaid. They also have the sequins of pumpkins in silver. You can get it in gold and in black. Then we have these candles. This one is toasted marshmallow. It's a 12-ounce candle. They have the dark red. That one's cranberry chutney. And then the yellow is the harvest cider. And the orange one is pumpkin spice. We've also got these marquee lights that say boo. It looks like a witch's hat. Those are $5. They're actually quite heavy. They're pretty thick too. Then we've got these LED skulls or tabletop decor. Some glass figurines. They also light up. They have this basket with the jack-o'-lantern and a light. Those are $5. And a bunch of these domes with different decorations in them for Halloween. They're all $5 each. They have like some moths and bones. They have a like a mushroom and a bat. They also have these. They're kind of like a shadow box that light up, and they look like a giant coffin. Those are all $5. It requires 2 AAA batteries. They also have these vessel water bottles in gray, blue, purple, and pink. It has the flip top. There's measurements down the sides. It's easy accessible bottle. Has the hand strap over on the side. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel that you might also enjoy. I hope you all have a lovely week, and I'll see you again on Tuesday.